Liempo, Caldereta, and Inisal. And we're here at Sarsa, and the camera is not focusing at all.
I can realize certain things in my work. I come the closest to being happy, and I can say that also about my life. Well, it only happens, I think, in moments. Sometimes when I'm working, and I'll be able to fulfill a scene.
Also guys, I really want to show you my phone case. I actually DIY this myself. I just put some stickers that I made myself, and there's a dirt right there. But yeah, I really like it. It's very minimal. And also I'm with Josh. I really like this cafe lang, very classy, and also I really like the color scheme. It's so nice, and we're just waiting for. Just got some milkshake, and Josh just got some Americano, which is what he basically always gets. So, papakita ko sa inyo si Josh. Yan, ito yung itsura niya ng bata siya. Ito na siya ngayon.
Cute nga yan.
Uy! Kamukha mo siya dito. Ano? So we got the chocolate paradise cake. It looks yummy. Then I got some cappuccino. He got some good coffee. And yeah. So we're just gonna chill, and I'll show you my outfit because hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and today I'm in a very different setting because I wanted to film my favorites video here. So let's get started. So before I talk about my favorites, I would like to unbox the Joah Box, but this is for their July subscription box. I wasn't able to receive this on time. That's why I'll be unboxing these quite late today, and I hope you guys don't mind. But even though it's late, I really wanted to talk about their brand because they basically focuses on clean beauty, which I really appreciate. So let me show you what's inside. First off, you get this card, which basically explains everything in here. And yeah, I will be talking about each product, and I'm gonna read the description right here. But let's start with the first product I see. And the first one is the Paddle Classic Real Tonic Soothing First Toner. So this is what the toner looks like. It's so aesthetically pleasing, and I'm so excited to try this out. And next thing from this box is the Glow Heal Total Solution Glow Ampoule Pad. So this pad is good for brightening, for revitalizing your face, for exfoliating, and I'm so excited to try this out. So I'm going to try to open it on this side. So this is what they look like. It is so cute. I'm so excited to try this out, guys. I'm gonna thank you whether it's a good product or not. So the next thing is the Wonderful Body. So basically what this product does is that, so love Bud is a new Korean brand specialized in body and skincare. Their motto is love your body, love yourself, as they can trust that our bodies are beautiful no matter what shape and size. So basically this stuff is good for firming, lifting, and promotes supple skin, making your skin firm and plump. Basically what you can use this for is that you can apply this directly on your elbow or whatever part of your body that you wanted to kind of firm and moisturize. And this is also 97% safe, vegan, natural ingredients, so that's really good. I wanted to show you guys the inside of these because I'm also very much curious. This is what the inside looks like. It's really nice and very aesthetically pleasing. I also love the color. It's very peachy, and you guys know that my favorite color is peach. So this is what it looks like, and it smells so good. I feel like this can pass out as my perfume, so I really like it. Also guys, if you happen to hear a lot of background noises, it's because I'm filming these on a public area, so I do apologize for that. Next thing that I have here is the Kosha Chic Lock Eyeliner. I've actually used this product and I really like it. It's waterproof, it's not very hard to remove, which I like. I feel like they are very similar in terms of like the applicator, which is why I really like this product. Okay guys, so we are down to the last product, and this one is an 8-step travel jelly mask, and I think I'm gonna use these when I travel. I don't know when because I don't really travel, but that's basically it for the Joah Box. If you guys are interested with their subscription, I will be putting the link on the description box below, so please make sure to check them out. And yeah,